Get ready to ditch lukewarm drinks because the Stanley Adventure Quencher 40 ounces is here to revolutionize your hydration. This isn't just any tumbler. Its double-wall vacuum insulation keeps your beverages ice-cold for an incredible 11+ hours, perfect for long days out or staying refreshed at home. Imagine enjoying your iced coffee or water still perfectly chilled, even after a full workday or adventure. Hydration is made effortless with the convenient reusable straw, ensuring easy sips on the go, paired with a comfort grip handle that makes carrying this 40 ounces powerhouse a breeze. What truly sets this Stanley Quencher apart is its ingenious car cup holder compatible design, meaning you can take your favorite drink anywhere without compromise. It's the ultimate solution for commuters, road trippers, and anyone seeking a high-capacity, spill-resistant tumbler that actually fits. If you're looking for the best kitchen accessory of 2025 to elevate your daily hydration, this Stanley tumbler is an absolute game-changer. Click the Amazon link in the description below to grab your own Stanley Adventure Quencher and experience premium quality. Trust me, upgrading your daily hydration experience with this durable, stylish, and incredibly functional tumbler is a decision you won't regret.